Bart's at the command center. We're doing our holiday cards. Just a very simple card. Happy holidays, the Conleys. I don't have too many holiday decorations, but I really like all the ones we have. These are homemade from Bart's mom. She sewed these for us a few years ago. This little nutcracker is from Germany. His little hat fell off, so we've got to get some glue. This is from New York. I miss New York. And just got these little peppermint pillows. Like, how cute are these? I'm like, hi, good morning. Super excited, going to put out holiday decorations today and get a tree. Last year, my Christmas tree was literally from the grocery store. I paid $25 in a New York grocery store. Bart was not in the country last year, so it was just me and Franny. So this year, I'm like, Bart, let's go get like a 10-foot tree. Let's get it all the way up to the ceiling.
Where are we gonna put it?
Where are we gonna put our Christmas tree? This is the space that we are working with. So there's no room over here. We have this corner. We could temporarily relocate Franny's bedroom to right here, and then the tree can be right there, and you could still see the lights out that window. And then we could see it, you know,
well, we could still see
from
it.
Sitting over there on the...
Still see it if we put it here.
Get all of these cards. Like, this is so many. This is like half, you guys. We ordered so many holiday cards, and now we're like, oh no, we actually might need a few more. All right, peppermint pillow. Right there. Oh my, so cute. Another one. You guys, we are getting a different couch. Say goodbye to this couch. I didn't even want to tell you guys, but the cat's out of the bag, so stay tuned for the new couch reveal. All showered and ready to go. This next portion of the vlog is sponsored by Lysol. So wanted to talk to you guys today about Lysol's Germ app. It's a free app or web plugin. Basically provides daily data for you guys on flu and COVID-19 incident levels on a county level, as well as a 3-week flu forecast. So the app's pretty cool because it gives you a ton of information. If you click this button here, it's gonna show exactly where you are. So we are in Washington, DC. You come down here, you pull this up, District of Columbia. Gives you all the COVID information here that they have for you. Also, if you wanna click on the flu, it does the exact same thing. You can zoom out. So the Germcast app is also going to provide you with prevention information and daily tips and tricks, as well as guidance. And if you want to check out their product information, it's pretty cool because you just click on these and it just gives you all the information on those products. So basically the Lysol Germcast app is just really here to help protect you and protect your loved ones from the spread of illness by keeping you informed and giving you the information so you can be vigilant. It's a completely free app. It's pretty cool. So all the information for the app, everything's gonna be linked down below. Franny already likes the peppermint pillow. This is so exciting. I wanted to wear lipstick today, but lipstick and face masks, I don't know how, that's not a good combination. This road is like, this is a scary road when it's like the two lanes. And we keep seeing all these cars go by with like trees on the top of their car. I'm like, getting excited. But we can't get a big one. Babe, we didn't even measure to see how big of a tree we need.
We have a pretty tall ceiling.
Yeah, we need a thin tree. We need a very thin, like a skinny tall tree because we don't have a lot of room. Oh, this one's cute. Might be too wide. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Oh, so the trees on the other side were different. These, like, yeah, these branches are a little thicker. Look at these trees. Whew. These ones are more expensive over here.
Ooh, they're pretty, but this is perfect.
Yeah, this is what we need.
This is perfect.
Oh, it's looking a little funky down
You just
there.
turn it, you just turn it.
You hide that? Oh, look at that one. Oh yeah, how much do you want to guess that one cost? I already see it. Look how much this one cost. Oh my goodness. These Christmas trees are no joke. Babe!
Yeah, that's perfect.
That's perfect.
Like
My glasses are totally fogging up. I need that anti-glare, anti-fog stuff. Look at
These are Frasers, a little sturdier branches, and the fragrance of the Frasers are a little stronger than the Douglases.
Oh, okay. So this is a 7 to 8 foot Fraser tree. We really like this one. It's like kind of skinny, so it's not gonna be too big. We don't have we have a lot of room up in our house, not wide.
Do you have clippers to cut this?
Oh my goodness. It smells so good here. Even through the mask, I can smell all the trees. Look at us! I've never actually had a tree on the top of the car before. Last year in New York, I literally got my tree from the grocery store. And then the year before that, there was like these little Christmas tree lots that like popped up on the corners of like New York City. And then you just went, they had like 10 trees and you just like were like, okay, that one. So this was like so much fun to actually walk around and smell all the trees and actually get to pick them.
That's perfect.
It looks a lot bigger like in the house.
It does look bigger.
Oh.
Out in the wild, it didn't look so big, huh?
It didn't look so big and now it's like, oh wow. Gosh, babe, that tree looks really big, Franny. What do you think?
That's the biggest tree we've ever had.
It's literally the biggest tree we've ever had. 7 to 8 foot Fraser fir.
This is when the squirrel pops out.
I know, right? Ooh.
Perfect.
Francis, look at our tree. Yay. I need your eye here.
Oh.
How are we?
Yeah, like that, I think. That's good.
It's a two-man process.
All right, I'll get out the camera. So what do you think?
I need another thing of lights. And we waited until today to get bulbs and they were sold out.
We could try to get some more lights.
Yeah, I mean, they were out of everything. I don't know, did we like wait too long?
No, we started shopping early, but we couldn't decide on bulbs.
Yeah.
But it looks good for now.
Yeah, I think it's fine. I think it's so cute.
It's a perfect tree. I think we did a good job picking it out. What do you think?
Yeah, let me see. Oh, it's not too bad.
Christmas tree.
Yeah, this is great. Let's get it from this angle. Look at all this we have to pick up. It looks very blue. There's really no perfect place to put this tree, but Franny didn't want to move his room, so we're like, okay, fine. And then when we had it here on this corner, it was like out too far. So we think this is where it's gonna go. Let's try this again.
I think we have enough lights now. Ooh.
Yay! These are so pretty. Okay, this is gonna work. This is gonna work. This is our finished product. We give up with these lights. I can't believe it. We thought these light strands were 20 feet long and the other light strands were 16 feet long. So we thought, oh, you know, we're gonna have an extra 8 feet. It's gonna be fine, no worries. It's gonna be perfect. This is one of those to be continued. We have to go back to the store. Francis, what did Cammy do to you?
4, 3, 2, 1. How's it look?
Oh, it's so cute. We got an extra thing of lights too, but we didn't need it.
That's a good spot.
Yeah, we need to like get this. Oh, perfect. Is it too close to the taxi?
Well, I don't think so.
Ta-da! Finally got it up. We finally got it right. We got 4 strands of light bulbs. Lesson learned, always buy extra light strands.